What if I told you some of the most powerful AI tools in 2025 are 100% free? The last one is my favorite. I'm not talking about limited trials or watered down versions. I mean game-changing software that can boost your productivity, create stunning content, write code for you, and even provide hours of entertainment, all without costing you a single dollar. We're about to dive into next-level content creation, insane productivity hacks, powerful coding assistants, and some AI tools that are just pure fun. And wait until you see the #1 tool on this list. It's like having ChatGPT, Photoshop, and a personal assistant combined, but free. I've spent the last year testing hundreds of AI applications, digging through the hype to find the ones that genuinely deliver on their promises. I'm not here to waste your time with the same old tools everyone was talking about last year. These are the brand new or massively upgraded free AI tools that are truly defining 2025. This is your ultimate guide to leveraging artificial intelligence without breaking the bank. Let's get started. First up, let's tackle productivity and workflow. The biggest problem we all face is chaos, scattered notes, an overflowing inbox, and a to-do list that feels more like a novel. The solution isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter with AI. Your first stop should be Notion AI. While Notion has been around, its free tier in 2025 is incredibly generous and powerful. Imagine you've just finished a 2-hour meeting and have pages of messy notes. Instead of spending an hour organizing them, you can just highlight the text and ask Notion AI to summarize this and create a list of action items. Boom, done in seconds. You can use it to brainstorm ideas for a project, translate a document for an international client, or even change the tone of an email from casual to formal with one click. It turns your digital workspace into an intelligent assistant. But what about the ecosystem you already live in? That's where Google Gemini's free features are an absolute game changer. It's seamlessly integrated into Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. Picture this, you're staring at a blank page in Google Docs needing to write a project proposal. You can simply ask Gemini to draft a proposal for a new social media marketing campaign, and it will generate a professional structured document for you to edit. Or maybe you're in Gmail, struggling to reply to a complicated client email. Gemini can draft 3 different professional responses for you to choose from, right inside the Compose window. It's one of the most practical free AI tools because it meets you where you already are, saving you clicks and context switching. But these are just for getting organized. The real magic happens when we get into creativity. Now let's talk about content creation. Creating high-quality videos, graphics, and social media posts used to require expensive software and years of experience. In 2025, that barrier has been completely obliterated by free AI tools. Let's start with video. Have you ever tried to remove the background from a video clip? It's a painful, frame-by-frame nightmare. Enter Runway. Their free plan gives you access to some of their most powerful AI magic tools. You can remove any video background with a single click, perfectly isolating your subject. You can use its generative fill to remove unwanted objects from a shot, or even expand the frame of your video with the AI intelligently creating what should be there. It's like having a visual effects studio in your browser. Next, for graphics and presentations, Canva AI is your new best friend. Their suite of magic tools available on the free plan is astonishing. Let's say you need a 10-slide presentation for a work meeting tomorrow. You can simply type into Magic Design, create a presentation about the benefits of remote work in 2025, and it will generate the entire deck for you, complete with text, relevant images, and a cohesive design. Its Magic Write tool can help you brainstorm social media captions, and its image editor can remove objects or even generate new elements within your photos. It has democratized professional design for millions. And for all the creators making content for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, CapCut's AI features are non-negotiable. The star of the show is its free auto captioning. It's incredibly accurate and saves you an enormous amount of time, making your content more accessible. But it goes further. Its AI can automatically select the best clips from a longer video, edit them to the beat of a trending song, and even apply stylistic filters to make your content pop. It's a complete social media video editor supercharged with AI, and it costs nothing. If you thought that was impressive, wait until you see how AI is writing and coding entire apps for free. This next category is for the builders, the developers, and the tech curious. The problem with coding has always been the steep learning curve and the frustration of getting stuck on a bug for hours. AI is now your personal coding tutor and collaborator. First on this list is Replit Ghostwriter. The free tier of this tool is a revolution for anyone learning to code, or even for experienced developers looking to speed up their workflow. It's not just an autocomplete function. You can write a comment describing what you want a function to do, like // create a function that fetches weather data from an API, and it will generate the entire block of code for you. Even better, if you come across a piece of code you don't understand, you can highlight it and ask Ghostwriter to explain it to you in plain English. It's an invaluable learning and debugging tool. But what if you want to experiment with powerful pre-built AI models without any complex setup? You need to check out Hugging Face Spaces. It's essentially a massive open source playground for AI. You can find and run thousands of free AI applications directly in your browser. Want to try a state-of-the-art text-to-speech model? You can do it there. Need to test an AI that can analyze the sentiment of a block of text? There's a space for that. It's an incredible resource for anyone who wants to see the cutting edge of AI in 2025 without needing a powerful computer or a degree in computer science. But not everything has to be work. Some of the most mind-blowing tools are purely for fun. Let's be honest, sometimes the best use of technology is just to play and create something amazing out of thin air. This is where fun and creative AI tools shine. Have you ever had a melody stuck in your head or a lyrical idea but have zero musical ability? Meet Suno. With its free daily credits, Suno can generate complete radio quality songs from a simple text prompt. You just type in something like a soulful blues song about a robot who falls in love with a toaster, specify the style, and in about a minute it will generate a full song with vocals, multiple instruments, and coherent lyrics. The quality is truly astounding, and it's a blast to experiment with. Next up for visual artists is Leonardo.ai. While you may have used other image generators, Leonardo's free tier offers a level of fine-tuned control and community-trained models that set it apart. You get a generous amount of free credits each day, which you can use to generate breathtakingly detailed and artistic images. It excels at specific styles, from photorealistic portraits to epic fantasy landscapes. You can train your own mini models and leverage tools that give you precise control over character consistency and image composition, making it a favorite among digital artists and hobbyists. Finally, for the gamers and storytellers, you have to experience AI Dungeon. This isn't a game with a pre-written script, it's an infinite interactive adventure where the AI acts as the dungeon master. You can type any action or say anything you want, and the story will react and evolve in real time. You can choose to be a knight in a fantasy realm, a detective in a noir city, or a captain of a starship. Every playthrough is completely unique, creating a storytelling experience that is limitless and deeply personal. Now you've seen the free tools, here's how to actually use them daily without getting overwhelmed. Seeing these individual tools is cool, but their real power is unlocked when you combine them into a seamless workflow. Let's imagine you want to launch a new podcast. First, you use Notion AI to brainstorm episode topics, guest questions, and a full content calendar. It generates a structured plan in minutes. Next, after recording your audio, you use an AI tool to transcribe it. Then you head over to Leonardo.ai to generate stunning thematic cover art for each episode based on its topic. Finally, you take short, impactful audio clips and combine them with your new artwork in Canva or CapCut to create promotional video snippets for social media. In under an hour, using only free AI tools, you've created a comprehensive content and marketing package for your podcast. Think about the time, money, and creative energy you've saved. So which of these free AI tools will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be replying to as many people as I can with extra tool recommendations and tips. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and discover the best AI in 2025, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. It tells the algorithm you want more secrets like these. Because in my next video, I'll show you the all-in-one AI platforms that can replace more than 10 of your paid apps. And yes, they are also completely free. You won't want to miss it.